Welcome to the end of Unit 4 from Edutin Academy's English course level A2. In this video, I will give you an example to guide you through the accomplishment of the activity. Esta actividad consiste en hacer un video que describa el tipo de compañero de piso que te gustaría tener. Veamos el siguiente ejemplo.
Hi. Our apartment is very big. It has got a lot of furniture. It's not new, but there's enough for you to be comfortable. It's also very clean and well kept. There are 3 rooms and each room has a bathroom. So, you can have your own bathroom. There's a kitchen where we all cook, and there's an office with 3 desks and 3 computers. Last year, we had issues getting internet access to these computers, but ever since we reported it to the landlord, we haven't had a problem to access the internet. There's not a laundry room inside the apartment, but there's a public one in the building's basement, and there are plenty of laundry machines to do your laundry. You can also sue them for free. You may be wondering what's the catch? Well, my friend Tony and I are not very good at being organized. We can cook and also clean, but we cannot find order in the apartment. We have had many problems because of that, so if you apply to be our roommate, please consider that you'd have to help us find some order here. Our rent is $1,500 per month, so you have to help with just $500. I know that for students this apartment is a dream come true. I hope you can consider it. Bye.
Como puedes ver, el texto debe contener saludo, descripción del lugar usando have got, there is, there are, descripción de cambios en los alrededores o en el apartamento usando el presente perfecto, descripción de las obligaciones como roommate y despedida. Now, let me congratulate you because you're about to reach an A2 English level. You have made an excellent job. It was a real pleasure to guide you through this course. Thank you and see you soon.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.